Hi, it's Kari Matthews of Prairie Quilting. Today we are working on my table runner, Anchors Away. The pattern is available through my website, prairiequilting.com, and the fabric I used for this is called Sail Away by Andy Metz for Benertex. Today we're working on block Z, kind of another pinwheel type block. Let's get started. Okay, for this block Z for Anchors Away, we're going to go ahead and match the short sides of some half square triangles up, okay? And I'm going to just sew them from this squared off corner, okay? Okay. All right, and to press these, we're just going to go toward that navy blue. Okay, so we'll go ahead, peel back that top layer carefully so you don't stretch it. And here we go. So we have 4 of these for this block. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and clip off those dog ears. Okay, the next units that we're going to make it's going to be another triangle, but we're putting this template on the end, okay? And we're going to just go ahead and match these right sides together. Okay, we're going to match those. We're going to sew it from this squared off corner, okay? And well, we should have a little bit of a dog ear hanging out there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and line all of these up here. Same way, and there's not a reverse of this. They're all just the template, okay? So when you're cutting those out, make sure you're not cutting a reverse. Okay, we're gonna sew these on to each other. Okay, first let's clip our corners. All right, now we'll press toward the blue. All right, so we're gonna sew one of each of those sections that we just made together, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and sew them with this kind of cream section on the top. Okay, to press this, I'm going to go ahead toward that cream. Just the fabric seems to want to go that way, so I'm going to go with it here. I'm trying not to distort my fabric because I do have the bias edge. Okay, let's go ahead and clip our corners here. We got 2 of these to clip for each block. All right, so I have laid this out. We have 4 of these sections and it makes another sort of pinwheel. This almost looks like one of those on a steamboat, the wheels that go around. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and match those up, okay? And I'm gonna nest these seams here in the corner, okay? Because we press them going the same direction, so they will be nesting. Okay, let's go ahead and sew. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press toward the navy blue. And same on the other block, okay? or the other half of the block. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and connect up those halves. And we have only one seam to nest here. Okay, so we'll nest that center seam. Okay, and let's sew. All right, we're sewing our last seam. Trying to be careful with our bias edge. All right, and to press this, it doesn't really matter because they are the same on both sides. All right, and there is our block Z for Anchors Away. All right, our block is finished. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you soon for another project. Take care.